Undercuts are features in an injection molded part that prevent its ejection from the mold. With straight pull molds such as the ones used this design, these undercuts can be any protrusions, holes, cavities, or recessed areas in the part where alignment is not perpendicular to the mold's parting line. On the CCB Feature Manager pane, right mouse click on the product and select Reset Cavity/Core Face. Right mouse click on Run Off and select Hide to get a clearer view of the product. Let's go to Sidecore Surfaces on the CCB menu. The Sidecore Surfaces Property Manager is displayed. Select the Boundary Faces box under Search Items to activate it. Select the two faces highlighted. Then select the Seed Face box under Search Items to activate it. Click on the graphics area of the face shown to select it. Click the Search button. All the faces belonging to this undercut will be highlighted. Click OK to accept the result and close the Property Manager. Let's redefine the core and cavity surface by doing a right mouse click and select Search Cavity Core Face.